How to see who sent you NGL messages. If you've been using the NGL and are wondering how to see who sent you those anonymous messages, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reveal the sender of your NGL messages easily. So let's get started. If you're using the NGL app, which stands for Not Gonna Lie, you're probably familiar with how it lets people send you anonymous messages. It's fun to get anonymous feedbacks, but sometimes you might want to know who's behind those messages. Well, today I'll show you exactly how to reveal the sender. Let's dive into it. Once you're in the app, you'll see all the messages sent to you. These messages are anonymous, so you won't know the sender unless you use a special trick to find out. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for to reveal the sender. There's actually an easy way to do it directly through the app. Tap on the message you want to identify, and you'll see an option that says Reveal Sender. This is the key you're looking for. Once you tap on the Reveal Sender button, the app will ask you to unlock your sender's identity. You'll need to follow a few prompts or watch a short ad to complete the process depending on how the app is set up. After that, the sender's username or social media profile will be shown. Once the reveal is complete, you'll see the person who sent the message. Keep in mind that Angel will show you the profile or social media handle, so you'll know exactly who's behind that anonymous message. And that's it. That's how you can easily see who sent you Angel messages and reveal the sender.